There was a small village called Little Creek in a very hot and dry area. There had been no rain for many weeks, and the village well was starting to run out of water. The people were getting worried because soon there would not be enough clean water to drink. One young man named John lived in Little Creek. John was a kind person who was always looking for ways to help others. When John saw how little water was left in the well, he knew he had to do something. John came up with an idea. He took his shovel and pickaxe and went to the empty land just outside the village. There he started digging a hole in the ground, hoping to find a new source of water underneath. John dug all morning under the hot sun. The hole got bigger and bigger, but still no water appeared. Some people from the village came by and laughed at John. "You are wasting your time," they said. "There is no water there." But John did not give up. He kept on digging and digging, hour after hour, day after day. His arms and back were sore, but he worked through the pain. John had hoped that he would find water to help his village. After a month of digging, the hole was over 10 meters deep. John's shovel suddenly hit something hard. He cleared away some sand and saw it was a solid rock. When he took his pickaxe and struck the rock, a tiny trickle of water poured out. John kept hitting and breaking the rock until more water started bubbling up from a secret underground spring beneath the village. It was fresh, clean water. John shouted excitedly to the villagers to come see. They all gathered around amazed at the water pouring into the giant hole. John had saved Little Creek from running out of water. The village people called him a hero for his hard work and determination. They gave him their thanks for not giving up hope. From then on, the village always had plenty of water from the well that John dug. No one in Little Creek ever went thirsty again. And so in this simple tale, we learn that persevering through challenges and never losing hope can lead to great things. John's commitment to finding water changed life forever in the little village of Little Creek, and the people were forever grateful.